Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will go over how to activate Ubisoft Connect code in Steam. So now let's begin. So to do this, what we need to do first is open our Steam app. Then here in the home page, go to library. Now click on the game that you want to find the key. You can either right click or click the exact game and go to the gear icon at the right middle part of the screen. Then click manage. So after you've clicked manage, you will have to see the CD key. Click it and click copy key to clipboard. So right after that, go to Ubisoft, click on your profile and click on key activation. Here, you will need to paste the CD key that we've copied earlier. So that's how to activate Ubisoft Connect code in Steam. And that's everything for this video. If this helped, please leave a like and subscribe.